Hi, my name is Danny Dorman, and I am from Medicine Lodge, Kansas. I have taught first grade for 3 years, and this last year was my first year in third grade. So that is what I will be doing from now on, as of right now, is teaching third grade. I would say that overall technology is a weakness for me. I just am not really sure how to use it effectively in my classroom to where the children and I are getting the most out of it as we possibly can. And so I would say that that is one of my biggest hopes for this class, is to just be able to get some strategies to use in my classroom, especially as we teach in smaller groups instead of whole group. And so being able to use some technology strategies when they are not with me learning the content, but as like a scaffolding piece or a reinforcement, would be very helpful as well. And so I'm just very excited to see what kinds of things that we're able to learn in this class and how I can better my teaching from that. And I'm excited to see what happens.